Hey, happy Tuesday out there, everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, I wanted to highlight the doorbuster special we've got going this week. With prices kind of going a little crazy everywhere you look, here at Jets PC, we try to hold the line on prices. This is a 9th Gen i5 hex core, little small form HP. Got USB-C, 16 gigs of RAM, a 500 gig M.2, and Windows 11 Professional loaded. And it comes complete. You get the little tower and the power brick for it, the USB keyboard and the mouse, and a monitor. All for $350 plus tax, and this does have a 90-day hardware warranty. So, if you got that Windows 10 box that keeps nagging you about upgrading, well, here's a Windows 11 compatible device that doesn't break the bank, and it'll get you out the door for less than $400 with tax. So, come on by and see us. We're at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and business hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for checking out this video, and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Y'all have a good morning.